मैं डॉक्टर रेणु कक्कड़, डायरेक्टर औषधि, आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। औषधि परमहंस प्रकाशवती मेहता इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन एंड रिसर्च में आप सबका अभिनंदन है। इस इंस्टीट्यूट की स्थापना जून 1996 में हुई थी। उस समय हमने केवल एक्यूप्रेशर व रेकी से इस इंस्टीट्यूट की शुरुआत की थी। लोग जुड़ते गए, काफिला बढ़ता गया। आज हमारे इस इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ ऑल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन के हर प्रकार के एक्सपर्ट्स अवेलेबल हैं, जैसे कि होम्योपैथी, जेम थेरेपी, रेकी, टैरो रीडिंग, वास्तु इत्यादि। आप सभी औषधि के साथ जुड़कर अपना जीवन आनंदमय व सुखमय बनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Namaskar, I am Dr. Aarti Verma, Energy Consultant at Aushadhi. Today we are going to discuss the importance of colors in our life. Colors. Colors are all around us. Colors are vibrations of light and they have energy. The 7 rays of colors emitted by the white light are nothing but spiritual forces. Most of us have no idea of the impact these colors have on our lives. For example, we feel very uneasy in a room and relaxed in the other room, and we call this mood. It is the color of the mood. Every color has a specific story, a specific purpose, and a specific character. Let's now go and know what each story, every color has to tell us all about. Red. Red is the color of activity. We feel in red. It is the color of blood. So it is a symbol of life and vitality. Red color is also an indication of danger. It is a color of warmth and heat. Red is the color of survival. Put red in your life when you want to increase energy, enthusiasm, and interest in life. Red can also be used as a protection from fear. Orange. Orange is a very powerful color. It is a mixture of red and yellow. So it has properties both of red and yellow. Orange has the dynamic energy of red, but in a very thoughtful and controlled manner, since it has the wisdom of yellow. Orange is a color of creativity, curiosity, and exploration. When you feel that time is dragging on and things are just not happening in your life, life is very boring, add some orange color in your life. Orange not only increases creativity, but it also brings you relief when things are getting very serious. When you need a change in life, burn an orange candle for 7 nights and see the difference it brings into your life. Yellow. We think in yellow. It is the color of the mind. Yellow stimulates mental growth. It is the color of clarity and awareness. When decision making is a problem in life, put yellow in your life. It will clear your mind, clear the confusions, and help you to decide. Yellow helps you to come out of depressions, nervousness, and clears your mind and improves your memory. Green. Green is a combination of yellow and blue. Yellow, which is a color of the mind, and blue, which is related to the spirit. When there is a need to expand and grow and a balance in life, add green color in your life. Ability to bring change is a very important character of green color. Blue. Blue is the color of the ocean and the sky. Blue helps us to look beyond our environment. It gives a feeling of distance. The vibrations of blue can be used to open energy blockages. It is a color of relaxation. It gives a feeling of distance. It helps to look beyond our perception. Blue improves our communication with others. Use blue in your life when there is a lot of agitations and chaos. It helps to relax and calm. Indigo. Indigo is the color of the midnight sky. It is a bridge between the finite and the infinite and opens the door to the mystic world. Indigo improves communication with self. It helps us to go deep down within our own self. It symbolizes wisdom, self-realization, self-awareness. When we need more focusing in life, use indigo. Indigo improves our psychic abilities and our intuitive powers. Violet. Violet is the ray of spiritual mastery. It is a combination of red and blue and so has properties of both red and blue. It helps us to stabilize the energies of the red color. Violet indicates high spiritual growth, love for humanity and idealism. Black. Black can be considered as the absence of a color. Black can absorb all the colors and still maintain its own identity. Black is linked to the unknown and the unseen. It is also seen as restful emptiness. Black prepares us for the unknown and opens the door to the mysteries. If you need more information about these colors, you can log in to our website www.aushadhi.com or contact us directly on the given numbers between 10 to 4 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. Thank you.